Hello everyone, my name is Dr Kopikrishna Thirunelakandan and I'm a dental clinician from the UK working in Liechtenstein. I'll be joining you online at the CAP live stream all the way from the Swiss Alps to give you a talk on oral health optimization. Preventive dentistry is on the forefront of many governmental tasks against primary dental diseases. Prevention is gradually playing a larger role in minimally invasive dentistry and will continue to do so in the near future. So in this webinar, I'll be presenting to you on how you can help your patients to reach optimal oral health and maintaining it at home. I will also touch base on fissure sealants, which acts as a physical barrier against microorganisms and food particle accumulation, which consequently then prevents caries initiation and caries progression. I will also talk about tooth polishing, which not only gives you cosmetic benefits, but also improves the health of teeth and gums by removing unwanted biofilm and plaque. So tune in and join me online on November 26th at 2 p.m. UAE local time, and I'm looking forward to meeting you all. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe and healthy, and I will see you soon.